Welcome students. Today we are going to start a new chapter in commerce, that is sources of finance for a joint stock company. Okay, so let's start. Sources of finance for a joint stock company. First of all, what do you mean by joint stock company? I hope you already know that joint stock company is a company is an artificial person having a separate legal entity with perpetual succession and a common seal. So, joint stock company is what? It is an artificial person but having a separate legal entity with perpetual succession and the common seal, because company because company is an artificial person. Company cannot sign like us, so on the place of sign, company put common seal on the company's documents. In this chapter we will talk about sources of finance for a joint stock company. So, sources of finance in a joint stock company is basically two type. First one is long-term source of finance, and secondly, short-term source of finance. Both long-term and short-term, both long-term and short-term funds can be raised from two types: own funds, either own funds or लोन फंड, या यू कैन से बारोड फंड. लोन फंड को बारोड फंड कह सकते हैं. यस, तो शॉर्ट टर्म हो या लॉन्ग टर्म हो या शॉर्ट टर्म, बोथ फंड्स कैन बी रेज्ड either own funds or borrowed funds. Now let's understand the long term source of finance. Long term source of finance. Why do we need in a company of long term finance? Basically students, long term funds are required to purchase of fixed assets such as land and building, plant and machinery, furniture and fixtures, motor vehicle, etc. Under the long term source of finance, the though the sources of finance is, first one is equity share, second one is preference share, and third retained earning, and other debentures and loans from commercial banks and loan from financial institutions. Now see students, equity share and preference share and retained earning, these are the own funds, and debenture, loan from commercial bank and loan from financial institutions, these are the borrowed fund. These are the own funds. Long term or short term, both funds can be raised two types. One is own fund, another one is borrowed fund. So in long term, equity share, preference share and retained earning are the own fund, and debenture, loan from commercial bank and loan from financial institutions are borrowed funds. Now In short term, public deposits, commercial banks, trade credit, customer advances, factoring, inter corporate deposit, installment credit. Okay, so these are the topics. These are the topics on which we talk about in detail in this chapter. Okay, in next video we will talk about equity share and preference share. Okay.